Battery issue might be the top one headache issue for iOS users. Every time Apple released a new system, iDevice users will upgrade to the latest version. At the first time, then lots of users will begin to complain that the battery is dying so fast. How to fix iOS 11 battery fast issues on iPhone or iPad? Number 1. Make a upgrade to newer version on iOS device. A new system version always comes with several issues and bugs that might be causing a faster battery dry on the device. So Apple always quickly release a newer version to fix these issues. Number 2. Check battery usage. It is really necessary for you to check the battery usage when you find your iPhone or iPad battery drains fast. To do it, you only need to go to Settings Battery to check if there is an app that is the chief culprit. Number 3. Turn off Raise to Wake mode. If you have Raise to Wake turned on by default on your iPhone, then your iPhone screen is constantly turning on due to this setting, and it is definitely drain your battery in the speed that you can't imagine. Number 4. Limit or turn off location service. Location services enhance apps but drain battery when not in use. Disabling them saves battery, but isn't user-friendly, especially for those relying on location-based apps. Number 5. Disable Background App Refresh. Background App Refresh allows your open apps to keep working status in the background while you're using other app. This feature is really useful for multitasking and quickly to find what you have seen before on iPhone or iPad. Number 6. Enable Low Power Mode. If you open the low power mode on iPhone or iPad, then all battery draining activities will be disabled immediately, including some activities that you can't disable by yourself. Number 7. Disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirDrop when not needed. You don't need to connect these services all the time, so just turn off these features while they're not needed. Because when these features is turned on, they'll be looking to connect all the time. That means your iPhone battery is draining. Number 8. Restore your device. Restoring your device is always the easiest method to solve the problem on your device, but it will erase all the settings and contents on iPhone or iPad. So we don't recommend you to choose this method without have a trail on the above solutions.